Good morning, good evening, good evening, good evening guys. Hi everyone! Mangunguha po ako ng lemons kasi marami na po ang hinog na lemons. Kukunin po natin. Kagabi po napakahangin dito sa lugar namin kaya ito nagsitumbahan. Hindi nakaligtas yung aking broccoli. Sayang. I was hoping to collect some seeds from this pero wala na. Natumba siya kagabi. Dahil it was very windy. The weather has been very wild. Ay, ang lalaki. Kukunin natin kasi meron pong mag-pick up bukas. I'm going to work at sabi ko na ilalagay ko lang sa labas ng aking bahay. Tapos, kukolektahin lang niya. And she can collect it anytime. Guys, ang laki po. Very good. I think I'm going to get the ones from here at the back. You can't see me. I'm hiding behind the tree. That's really big. My goodness, that one is big too. Ang lalaki. Hi! It's got a bit of prickles, huh? Na prickles ko. Natusok akong kamot. Should I count? 1, 2. No, don't worry. I'm not gonna count. Oh, is it broken? Agoy, naliki akong basket. Never mind. Sayang. Sayang so, sayang lang. I can't reach the ones at the top. Have to get ladder. How can I reach you? How can I reach you? Siguro dito. Oh, tusok man ko eh. Ha. Ow. Can put some in my pocket. Some in my pocket. There is nothing to see. Nothing to see. Ow! Pamimigay natin tong iba para hindi masasayang. Marami kasi. Oh. Ow! Kasakit. Hindi ko po alam kung anong klaseng lemon ito. Marami kasing variety of lemons. Kasi pagdating ko dito, nandito na siya. So this tree, ay matanda na po siya guys. I don't know how old. But marami na po siyang yung mga sanga. I trimmed this last year. Pero tumubo ulit. Sabi nga nila, you have to maintain or constantly trim your lemon tree para it will continue to bear fruits. So ayun ang ating kuha. Oh. Got some in my pocket too. Ay, marami pa. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Kay rami. Kailangan na nating tanggalin yung mga hinog para magkakaroon uli ng panibagong bunga. Kasi I noticed na marami na ding flower buds yung ibang sanga. At para mababawasan yung bigat. Agoy, broken talaga yung basket ko. Sayang. Sira. Trying to shake the tree. Oh, may natanggal na isa. Sayang. Sinta. Ow. Ang sinumpaan. Magtitingin ng tunay. Sana all ganito karami ang bunga, no? Malalaki. Hindi siya matamis, of course. Kasi lemons to. Look! I'm trying to get you. Dapat may hagdanan ako. Whew. That was hard. What about this one? Marami pang bunga sa itaas. Hindi ko abot eh. Hindi ko siya abot. Okay. Maraming bunga. I need a stick to get that one there. There. Gotcha. Daming bunga pa. Especially on that side. Facing the fence. Ang ganda. O, diba? Ang lalaki, oh. Lalaki siya. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not... Ow! Ow! Maka! Suga! Dako kaayo. Ay, natambog ari. Sayang. May nahulog. Ito. Kasi marami po siyang guys, flowers. Yung mga buds. Para siya, yung nutrients at least, hindi mapupunta sa hinog ng mga lemons. So, kailangan nating tanggalin yung mga unang bunga. Ay, uy. Kadaghan. It's so fresh. Refreshing. Meron po akong mga lavender dito, guys. Let's pick some lavender flowers. Aking mga lavender. I'm gonna put this in a vase. You can draw lavender. That's very nice, oh. Mm. Pampatulog to, guys. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang maraming damo. At dahil meron pa akong konting oras, ay bubunutin ko na to. Jesus, I believe. You're the reason that I live. With all I